Pepogest, enteric-coated peppermint oil benefits. Peppermint oil and gastrointestinal comfort. For centuries, peppermint oil has been traditionally used for gastrointestinal upset, cramps, gas and nausea. Today, modern science focuses on the essential oil found in peppermint leaves that soothes occasional discomfort. Enteric-coated Pepogest for targeted release. Pepogest provides peppermint oil and enteric-coated softgels that withstand stomach acid to release directly into the intestine. Delivers to the area of occasional discomfort. Ensures maximum effectiveness. Easily tolerated. Description: targeted release peppermint oil. Gastrointestinal comfort. Easily tolerated. Targeted release. Small, easy to swallow. Dietary supplement. Gluten-free. Soothes occasional discomfort. Suggested use: take 1 softgel 3 times daily with water 30 to 60 minutes before food. Discontinue use if heartburn occurs. If pregnant, nursing, or taking any medications, consult a healthcare professional before use. Other ingredients: gelatin, organic soybean oil, glycerin, ethyl cellulose, purified water, sodium alginate, medium-chain triglycerides, oleic acid, stearic acid. Contains soy. No sugar, salt, yeast, wheat, corn, dairy products, artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Safety sealed with printed outer shrink wrap and inner seal. Do not use if either is broken or missing. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.